In this video, we'll be demonstrating the Premium Microcannula injection technique. It's a technique that can be challenging, especially for beginners or those with poor eyesight. Many of you, our viewers, have asked for tips on using microcannulas. We understand that preventing vascular occlusion, bruising, and ensuring patient comfort are top priorities for dermal filler injectors. The Premium Microcannula offers a solution, reducing the need for multiple needle openings, and becoming a standard in aesthetic injection techniques for products like Juvéderm and Restylane. Commonly requested procedures include forehead augmentation fillers, lip fillers, and under-eye fillers. Let's see how the Premium Microcannula makes a difference. When using a regular microcannula, the process involves creating a small opening, inserting the cannula needle, and gently moving it back and forth or left and right to create a precise opening. Often, you have to endure these inconveniences. That's where the Premium Cannula comes in, eliminating these challenges altogether. So, what are the advantages of using the Premium Cannula? Let's explore. 1. Effortless entry point identification. The Premium Microcannula eliminates the time-consuming process of searching for entry points. Doctors can easily identify the precise location for filler injection, saving time on preparation. 2. Seamless integration of needle and cannula. The Premium Microcannula integrates the puncture, needle and cannula, streamlining the procedure and reducing the chances of errors. 3. Time-saving and patient-friendly. The efficient design of the Premium Microcannula shortens procedure times, minimizing patient discomfort and maximizing satisfaction. 4. Greater efficiency for practitioners. Doctors can treat more patients in a day with the Premium Microcannula, thanks to reduced entry point preparation time. 5. Superior material and precision, crafted from a flexible yet sturdy material. The Premium Microcannula ensures accuracy during injections. In conclusion, the Premium Microcannula is a game changer in the world of aesthetics. It simplifies the filler procedure, saves time, and enhances patient and practitioner satisfaction. As more doctors recognize its advantages, it's no wonder that the Premium Microcannula has garnered substantial attention and popularity. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos on aesthetic procedures and innovations.